Welcome to the part 17 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we're going to have a look at signs for S. Alright, so now we will see how to make some words containing S in them. Alright, so how S is made in Gregg Shorthand? Well, it is made either like this or like this. So this is the left motion S and this is the right motion S. Alright, so suppose if we have a word here called race. So if you notice here, first we have this R, then we have this A vowel, which is very similar to this one as in came. Then we have this S sound coming from it. So the final word race will be made like this. So this is R and this is our A circle, A vowel, and then finally we have this S character. So this is race. But if we have another word here called raise, okay, so if you notice here we have Z sound coming from it, because if you pronounce this it goes like raise. Okay, so at the last we have Z sound coming, and here we had the S sound coming, because if you pronounce this word it goes like race. So this is we had S sound in this word race, but here we have Z sound because it goes like raise. So how will this word will be made? Well, this word will be made exactly like race, like this. But there is one additional thing that you need to do, which is you need to add a dash here. Okay, so dash is added just to differentiate between the S and the Z. So suppose if S is made like this and if Z is made like this, alright, so to easily differentiate between these two, we'll put a dash like this. Or if S is made like this and Z is made like this, then we're gonna put the sign like this, like the dash like this. Or if S is made like this and Z is made like this, then again we're gonna put the dash like this. And finally, if we have the S like this and the Z like this, then again we're gonna put the dash sign to easily differentiate between the S and the Z. Alright, so suppose we have another word here called gas. So gas, first we have G character, then A vowel, which is very similar to this one as in mat. Then we have this final S sound. So this word will be made like this. So this is G, this is A vowel, and then finally we have S character. Okay, so but if we have another word here called gaze, so now if you notice here we have this Z sound coming from here, because if you pronounce this word it goes like gaze, and if you pronounce this word it goes like gas. So here we have S and here we have Z. So what we will do, how we will make this word, we will follow the steps that we took here and here. Okay, we're gonna make the similar word like this, the similar character like this. Okay, but additionally we will also put the dash here so that we can easily differentiate between gas and gaze. So here we have this S sound and here we have this Z sound. Alright.